Hello, we're going to be doing a tutorial for ReShade. ReShade is a fun little mod that you can download. It works for many different games, it's not for just one specific game, it works for many different things. And it just provides some visual enhancements for your games. So, up here we've got this PC Master Race icon here, that's our ReShade. And I'm going to be using Classic Doom as our tutorial here. Another game that I would highly recommend ReShade for would be RimWorld. I use that all the time. It really makes the game look a lot nicer, pops out the colors. Anyway, so here, this is the ReShade page where you can get your download. I'll have the link in the description so you can find it. So you just download that. Here it is. To install it, you just simply click it, hit select game. You find your location of wherever your game is. You find the exe file for your game. Actually, yeah, we're gonna go through and do this. Alright, this is on desktop. Where's desktop? Right here. Alright, ReShade tutorial, GZ Doom, open. It's doing this thing. Alright, you just click on, you got these three options here. You just click on one. You want some extra stuff? Yeah, sure. Does this thing, okay. It's done. Boom, just like that, it's installed. Alright, so now let's go check it out. Got it all set up and ready to go. Alright, you can see up in the top there, says ReShade is now successfully installed. So let's just jump in. Let's just freeze it up here. So we don't want monsters shooting stuff. We're just here to check it out. Alright, so let's just take a look around, see how it looks without ReShade. So this is just normal Doom. Alright, looks nice. Right, now we're gonna set up ReShade. You hit the home key. Alright, just blah blah blah, all this stuff. Hit continue, 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 finish. Then just come up here, hit the little plus. You can name it Doom or whatever game that you're installing it on. And now you're free to have fun and put these little things on here. These are all the different little options you can use. Now, you have to be careful on what you click on. You know, if your computer's not up to speed, you might crash your computer if you click on the wrong thing. Or if you got a slower computer, putting too many things on could crash it, or you'll have a drop in frame rate. So you have to be careful. Don't just go clicking anything. So let's put a few little things on here. You get DPX. That lets you do, like, you know, contrast, all that stuff, colorfulness. See? So there's a lot of tweaking involved here. All these little slider bars to get the perfect little image. Alright, so you got some nice color going on here. We can, what else? Where is it? Yeah, get some vibrance. Let's enhance it a little bit more. Trying to find the correct things here. I should have memorized where these things were. What am I looking for? I'm looking for there we go, magic bloom. Alright, get some nice bloom going on here. Enhance the lighting. Now again, you're of course going to want to adjust it so it's not like super bright, blinding you. So just drop this down a little bit. So it's not too powerful. Alright. Oh, that's better. Now it's alphabetical order. Good. Put some ambient light in there if you want. Alright. Hit home key to close that. Alright, let's take a look around. Now we got some more color going on here. Got some nice lights. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, there's just a whole bunch of options you can use. Wrong button. Whole bunch of options to just enhance the visuals. That's what ReShade does. Let's try another thing. Curves, where is it? Right here. See? Now we can adjust some. We can make it a little bit darker or lighter. Let's go for a little bit darker. So you can completely change the look and feel just by putting on a few little things. It gives you a whole new look to the game. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use ReShade. It's just a whole lot of tweaking to get the perfect settings. And just be careful what you click on. And that's it. And when there's an update available, it'll say up on the top there, like it did when you first turned it on. It'll say there's an update available. So yeah, cool. That's it. It's easy, simple to do. It's the same for any game to install and all that. It's the same process. You just click install, you locate the game you want to do it, and that's it. Simple, easy to use. So I hope this helps you out in using ReShade to make your games look all pretty. So have fun.